Welcome to the second video in our series on innovative roofing. I'm Kevin Callahan, Senior Project Manager with Bruttell. This is our Fluke TI-25 thermal imaging camera. Infrared cameras are used in many different industries for many different reasons. We believe that their use in the roofing industry is one of the most important. Infrared cameras measure differences in temperature between objects. If relative to each other, the items are all the same temperature, they will have the same color when we look into the viewfinder. This camera is very sensitive to thermal differences, with a range of over 600 degrees in half-degree increments. Quite simply, we are looking to find water infiltration into your building through the roof. Water has more mass and therefore can hold on to more heat than air. So in your roof, wet insulation will be observed as a different color than the dry insulation because it will be warmer. For best results, we perform the scans in the spring, summer, and fall after a sunny day has warmed up the roof. We call this thermal gain. When the sun goes down, your roof will begin to cool and give up some of this heat. We access your roof after the sun is set, and since the areas with wet insulation will remain warm longer, we can see those areas with the camera as a thermal image. We call this a thermograph. Let me show you a couple of examples as to what I'm talking about. This is a great thermographic image taken during an actual scan for a client. I like to use this one for demonstration because it shows in great detail the outline of the building, the area dividers, windows, and you've got a nice board pattern in the insulation that shows the areas that are wet and glowing red and the areas that are dry and are showing a green color, meaning that it's cooler. I'm going to show you now in a demonstration how this works. I've got a sample EPDM roof I put together here. Wood fiber insulation laid around in a circle with a removable piece of insulation on the inside. I'm going to get this wet and I'm going to show you how this infrared camera works. Okay, I've got my wet insulation. I'm going to go ahead and place it into my dry insulation sample board. My simulated roof here. Pull the membrane over the top and we're going to go ahead and turn on the sun. We're going to let this warm up for a little while. We'll be back and we'll check this out with the infrared camera. Okay, the sun's been warming up our sample for a while now. We're going to go ahead and turn this off, let it cool down, and we'll be back with the camera. I just love the way this camera works. As I scan a roof sample looking for differences in temperature, I very clearly see the outline of the wet insulation board in the center and the dry insulation on the outside. This is exactly what we're looking for when we come and do your roof scan. Thanks for watching our video on infrared moisture scans and thermal imaging. As you can see, this is a simple, effective, and non-invasive means of learning a lot about a roof's condition. The best part is that it is very affordable. Stay tuned next month for part 2 on how we use the information from the infrared scan to develop a roof management and sustainability plan for your facility. This is a can't miss for property managers, building owners, and facility managers when we talk about how this innovative technology can save thousands of dollars on your next roofing project.